What's up, guys? Today is the day that I go for my Pond's photo shoot. I'm so excited. I've been wanting to tell everyone. Even now, obviously I couldn't tell anyone, but you guys will obviously know when you watch this. But it's now 4:12. It's now 4:12 a.m. What, my flight is at 6. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. I'll get to meet the 2 other beautiful ladies. So the next time I speak to you guys, I will be at the airport. You'll see soon. So I'm here at the airport with my dad. My mom is shopping. I'm having a ginger shot because I'm tired. What is it called? It's ginger and?
Cayenne. I have it on good authority.
What?
I have it on good authority. It's pronounced as Cayenne. So.
I've been thinking. Is it Porsche or Porsche?
Porsche.
But why does everyone say Porsche? Guys, I've been sipping this and it's it is so strong that my throat is burning. Do not have this on an empty stomach. It will literally burn your stomach. Okay guys, the next time you see me, I will be on the plane. Guys, so I am in the plane now, ready to go to Joburg. Hey guys, so I'm here on my way to the shoot. I have the coolest chauffeur. The next time I see you guys, I will be in the studio. Snatched. Glowing. So I don't have time to vlog the beginning of me getting here, but I'm here with
Hi guys, how are you?
gorgeous glowy Bali makeup god
Buyo Barak.
Mario / Scott Barnes of South Africa.
And getting through your heartbreak, so kind of free, same for me. Don't know what I need. Don't doubt me, babe. You make me wanna change. Break my bed to make me wanna stay. I can't stop me, babe. You make me love the pain. Break my bed to make me wanna.
guys, that is the end of our shoot today. Everyone is wrapping up, getting ready to go.
Oh, should I?
Yeah, do it.
Thanks for watching.